Here is how to see the time on the Apple Watch. Let me talk about it. If this is your first time here being on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the next explanations and tutorials like this one. Like, obviously the Apple Watch is a watch and the time showing is the main feature of the watch, right? So whenever you are doing something on the watch, you can always place your palm on the wrist and you're going to return to what's called watch face, and this is going to show you the time. You can as well be inside of any app and press the digital crown. It's gonna, return you back to the watch face. So this is like the sort of home screen of the Apple Watch where the time is always visible. But if you feel like you cannot really see it properly, try switching to a different watch face so you can hold it down on it and swipe horizontally to switch to an existing one, or go to the plus button and literally come up with a way that the time is going to be clearly visible. You will not have problems seeing that, and you can pick the time font and like text color and the disposition, whatever. So there are plenty of options to do that. Keep in mind that me personally, the way that I like to do it is that I have like my main local time right here on the prominent place within the watch face, but then I also have a little widget which is called complication on the Apple Watch, where I can add the world clock time, right? So I see the local time as well as the time in the location where I decided to make it show up on my watch. So that's how I personally use it. Let me know what you think below, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.